Hello, my name is Amir Ishmael and this is my 1021 final assignment. So to begin, I ensured that the pump system worked by setting the extremities of my moisture sensor values to trial and error. Through conversion, I set the lowest value to dry and the upper values to wet, which would be completely submerged. I also tested the inputs and outputs using this class right here, where I found that my sensor pin was not working and I found out that I had it set to the wrong integer value. Upon fixing this, I was able to complete and move forward with my project. In partner with using catch and try techniques throughout the entirety of my project to ensure everything was working. For CLO2, I used Formatter4J because this allowed me to connect my Arduino board and write to it using Java after creating a formatted device, as seen here. I also used the Princeton Standard Draw library as this allowed me to draw a graph inputting my moisture sensor values. For CLO3, I use an array list in order to append moisture sensor data and time values into my graph. Array list right there, private array list right here, which I appended data to and then added it to my graph. For CLO4, I used a state machine using converted moisture sensor values in order to determine whether the plant was dry or wet. If the plant was dry, I added water, and if the plant was wet, I added no water. I also used listeners in my main class, which would determine if a button was clicked, then the entire process would stop. For CLO5, I used different classes in order to help organize my information into different tasks. I also used polymorphism in the override run technique, as well as private variables in my classes. I will now demonstrate the plant watering system using a plant, my Arduino, and my code. We'll see the water begin to fill up. As we can see, the water stopped filling up because the sensor detected high moisture sensor values. Moisture sensor values being displayed on screen right here. I can take it out. We'll see the water get filled up more. I'll place it back in. We see a dip in the moisture sensor values due to taking out the moisture sensor value. Again, the sensor value right there, and I can stop the code by clicking that. Pump stopping, and the graph stopped, and the water stopped. Thank you.